This one, baby. What color?
You said this what color? You know, like
The same this one. What color is this?
it seems like the
Gorilla. Yeah. Gorilla. Gorilla. What you will do?
Of the part.
Huh? You will fix the puzzle. Okay, Tala, you will give one by one to Ate, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Ate, go.
Um.
Put it there.
Put yellow.
Yep.
So slippery.
Nice. Yellow heart. Is it a heart?
Yeah. It's like this one.
Oh, the red heart.
It's so lovely to red heart, but I like it.
Okay, fine. What color is that? Ah, yeah, nothing. You're fixing the color. Black. The black hexagon.
I can do that one. Black.
Next.
I know.
Make it little for so that you have space.
Or
Enough.
nothing.
Okay, do it.
Maybe this one will work.
What color is that?
Red, like this red. Red heart and red.
Rectangle. What? You want me to be a frog? Ate, later, ate. Fix it first. You want that? Okay, what's next? Yeah. Orange what?
Oh wow!
Yeah. Very good. Okay. What color? Green hexagon.
Magic make big dog.
Oh no, I don't want to be a dog. Very
Magic make you a light.
light. Yay, done. But one is missing. Can I see? One is missing. Okay, tell the colors. This one.
Square.
Rectangle. Is it square? But the color, not the shape. Tell the color.
What color? Diamond.
Color diamond. Brown. This one, what color is this?
Brown.
How about this one?
Pink.
Very good. How about this one?
Orange.
Very good. How about this one?
Black.
Got it. How about this one?
White.
Yeah, what color?
Yellow.
Very good. How about this one?
Green.
And this one?
Blue.
How about this one?
Purple.
How about this one?
Red.
How about this one? Yeah, brown. Very good. How about this one? Yeah, but what is the shape? Yeah, how about the color of this one? This one, baby. What color?
You said this what color? You know, like
The same this one. What color is this?
the same like the
Gorilla. Yeah. Gorilla. Gorilla. It's
I
red.
know a gorilla.
You know gorilla?
Yeah, in my school.
Oh, you have school? You don't have school. What animal is this?
Zebra.
Zebra. It's a giraffe.
Giraffe. I will see.
How about this one?
It's like a fish.
Yeah, it's a fish. How about this one, Tala? What is this?
A bird.
Yep. Oh, how about this one? You know who is
A bee.
bee? And what else?
Bee.
Ah, what is this?
Oh, butterfly.
How about this one?
I don't know.
Yeah? No more animals.
You let's make this one, no? Only.
What is
That's
it?
animals here.
Yeah, no more
No,
animals.
this, look at that.
Ah, what is that, Tala?
Alien.
Alien frog? Or just an alien?
Yeah. Now, this one, what's this? It's shaking.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. I'm missing.
What is that? Yeah, I'm missing.
This lollipop here. Bye bye.